This is how we make air conditioning work when we have a bad condenser fan motor. As you can see, the condenser fan motor is not running, but we're cooling the hot liquid by just running a little bit of water across the condensing coil. And what I'm doing is I'm also checking my line temperatures over here. I'm checking line temperatures of the condenser coming out, and we're running about 87 degrees, almost 90 degrees coming out of there. And we're dropping our suction. Our suction is dropping, so we're making good cooling right now, and this will get these folks by until we can get over here and install their new air conditioner on Saturday. That's it for today.